If you've ever wanted to edit a PDF in Google Drive without paying for expensive software, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to open a PDF in Google Drive, convert it into an editable document, make your changes, and then save it back as a PDF again. This is a super handy trick for updating text, fixing details, or making quick edits to documents you already have. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. If your PDF file is not already in Drive, click the New button in the top left, then choose File Upload. Find the PDF on your computer, select it, and upload it into your Drive. Once the file is uploaded, locate the PDF in your file list. Now, right-click on the PDF file. In the menu that appears, hover over Open With and then select Google Docs. This is the key step because Google Docs will convert the PDF into an editable document that you can change directly in your browser. Depending on the size of the PDF, it may take a few seconds to open. Once it loads, you'll notice that the PDF content is now displayed as a Google Docs file. From here, you can click into the text and start editing. You can change words, update numbers, fix spelling, adjust formatting, and make other simple document changes as needed. Keep in mind that the layout may shift a little after conversion, so it's a good idea to review the document carefully once you're done editing. If you need to move text around, resize headings, or clean up spacing, you can do that right inside Google Docs, just like any other document. After you've finished editing, the final step is to save it back as a PDF. To do that, click File in the top menu, then choose Download, and select PDF Document. Google Docs will generate a new PDF file with your changes included. That means your edited version is saved as a fresh PDF, ready to upload, share, or print. And that's it! You've now learned how to edit a PDF in Google Drive using a simple built-in Google Docs workflow. No special software, no complicated tools, just a fast and free method that works well for basic PDF edits. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.